Art of Storytelling is a fun interactive workshop for teachers, educators, and parents.
Where are you going there? So sad. Look at my ugly yellow hat. Oh, look, it matches your very good tie. Oh, my friend Daisy. Oh, well, why are you still sad? I'm getting there. Would you like my magic fairy wand? Jamie's American. What is that? My magic wand. Blow up one thing. Oh, thank you. Oh, are you happy yet?
The tiger was so big, it was green and purple and pink. And you know what it was? It had its biggest hair on his head.
The participants enhance their creative and imaginative skills. Art of storytelling is where we learn how to tell a story so we can involve the children as how to tell a story. Art of storytelling. For further information, please do visit my website www.roshni.com. Looking forward to bringing Art of Storytelling workshop at your venue.